We use will to talk about the future. Will or won't plus base form of the verb. Never use ing or s after will. I will go. When do we use will and won't? First, it's used for predictions. When we think something will happen in the future. It's used for opinions or guesses. Let's see some examples. I think it will rain tomorrow. It won't snow. She will be a good teacher. She won't be a good vet. You will enjoy the movie. You won't regret watching the movie. There's heavy traffic, so they won't arrive on time. I think they will arrive late. Second, decisions at the moment. We use will when we decide something now. For example, I'm hungry. I will make a sandwich. She likes this dress. She will buy it. These shoes are expensive. She won't buy them. The bus is full. We won't take the bus. We will take a taxi. Third, promises. Something you say you will do for sure. It's almost 12. Sorry, we won't be late again. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone your secret. We got bad scores this year. We promise we'll study more next year. I can't talk now. I will call you tomorrow.